Alright guys, we got a 2000 to 2012 remove replace power steering pump on one of the 2.0 either DodgeCaliber or Jeep Compass. You got the car man sending you and yours nothing but love and peace coming straight up out of the RVA, and I can't wait to bring this brand new DIY straight to you. So sit back and relax, we got it from you. It's time to roll, baby. Woo! All right, go ahead and disconnect your negative battery cable. Supposed to have a dust cover right here. Clearly not there. It looks like someone must have broken it off, but it's just two plastic clips. Remove them and let's move on. What we're looking at here is the serpentine belt tool. It's the black tool that's sitting in front of you, and you watch, it's going to go on up here and it's going to connect. It's sitting on top of the actual tensioner. This is the way I would recommend doing it. A lot of people just put a wrench up there. Sure, you can do that, no problem. This just makes it super convenient. The aftermarket ones have a 15 millimeter bolt head and the OEMs have a 16. I don't know why they do it like that, but for whatever reason. Anyway, this has an aftermarket on it, and really all you're doing is just pulling it to you. This is coming towards the front of the car. You can see it right there. I'm not going to smash my camera out of the way, and if you take a look right here, that's all you got to really do it, because on this particular car you can see that that's actually already torn up. I've never seen that on a harmonic balancer, period. So I'm not sure what caused that, but that's all there is to getting the serpentine belt off. I'm sure that's going to be a problem here in a second. We'll see if we can figure that out. But that's all there is. And as far as putting it back on, same thing. You can see you just move it. And I will put a belt diagram at the end of this video, so it won't be a problem. But that's the movement. So what you do is get this compression off of here, and it's a fastener, and I'll just use one of these. You can actually use a pair of pliers if you wanted to. I just use these guys because it's just really quick and convenient. Try not to block you up too bad. So you can see what's going on there. All right, you got that on there, and so it's compressed. We just don't really want a bunch of mess everywhere, so we'll go ahead and let go of this. Alright, because if you do not, you will have power steering fluid literally everywhere. More places than you care to have it. And we still have our belt down there, and the last thing we really want is to get anything on that belt. Just kind of soak up that a little bit, because I really don't want that all over the place. Things are so messy. So messy. It's one of my kids say, this is so extra. Why did she say I'm extra for? I don't know. Anyway, here we go. Alright, once again, we want to get under there quick when we pull this out. Okay, we're going to have to pull it forward just a little bit and to see what she's leaking. Shouldn't be a whole lot, but it doesn't matter. I don't want to drop anywhere. Well, man, I should have known it. Should have known it. Alright. Don't want that stuff going anywhere. We've got 3 13mm bolts, and you can see right where it's at. I'm not even going to try to record it because it's just too far in the way and there's no way to really hold the camera and do it. But let me take those out real quick and let's slide this thing out of place. Okay guys, now that we got her loose, got those out, I just nudge it just a little bit underneath it right there. You can kind of see, maybe you can. Maybe I could just stop blocking your view. See, it's got a nice little flat platform right here that you can kind of push off just a little bit. I mean, it doesn't take a whole lot. And anyway, she's free and she's out of there, guys. Now, a couple quick little notes. If you're putting this in a refurbished one, you're probably going to get some O-rings. Go ahead and switch out your O-rings. Also, a lot of times the little neck doesn't come with a refurb. We're putting one out of a wrecked car, so it doesn't matter. He has a spare one, so his has already got it on it. But there's an O-ring underneath that too as well. And when you take this up, keep both of these kind of elevated, pointed toward the sky, because if not, you're going to have an ocean, and I do mean an ocean of power steering fluid. Yuck.